Om Sri Sai Ram. Humble salutations at the lotus feet of our Lord, Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. All are welcome to the last part of, that is part 45 is the last part of Balavikas class group 1. We are finishing all the stotras in the syllabus of the Balavikas group 1. Today is the last sloka I am going to teach you. Om, Om, Om. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakodi Samaprabha Nirvikhnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakarishu Sarvada. Omkaram Bindu Samyuktam Nityam Dhayanti Yoginaha Kamadam Mokshadam Chaiva Omkaraya Namo Namaha. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshal Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Ya Kundendu Tusharahara Dhavala Ya Shubhravastra Ya Veena Varadanda Mandidakara Ya Shveda Padmasana Ya Brahmachyuda Shankara Prabhartipihi Devai Sada Vandita Samam Padu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jadyapaha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhidamastu Ma Viddhishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The first stotra we learned was immediately after waking up. We have to look at our hands and we have to invoke our Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti and Kriya Shakti by invoking Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. Before we sleep also, the whole day we can say all the stotras while praying, while taking bath, while eating, everything. We have learned so many stotras. And for the Sandhya Vandan also you can say all sorts of stotras. And now before sleep also we have to say stotra, that is Kshamapana stotra, that is we are asking for forgiveness for we have done, the whole day we must have done, knowingly or unknowingly, some sins or some wrongdoings we must have done. So, with knowingly or unknowingly, whatever we have done, we are asking God to forgive us for that. With all our indriyas, with all our senses, we must have done. By seeing, by hearing, by touching, by speaking, anything, we must have done some wrong. So for that we are asking for forgiveness. Even by thoughts, by our mind also we must have done harm to somebody. If you have some thought of jealousy or anger towards somebody, that is also a sort of doing wrong thing, isn't it? So we are asking for forgiveness to God before we sleep, so that we can have a pure consciousness and we can sleep well. Okay. The sloka goes like this. Karacharana kridam va kayajam karmajam va Shravana nayanajam va manasam va paradham Vihidam avihidam va sarvamedal kshamasva Jai Jaya Karunapte Sri Mahadeva Shambho. We are asking Mahadeva to give us forgiveness. Okay? Kara Charana Kritam. Kara means hands. Charana means feet. Kritam means doing. So we must have done something with our hands. We must have gone somewhere with our legs, carrying us to some wrong places. We may have done that. Vak means speech. We may have said something to hurt somebody, isn't it? That is a vak, speech. Kayajam, with our body we must have done some wrong, isn't it? And Sravana Nairajam, Karmajamba. Karma means actions. With our body we must have done some actions which is not pleasing to God, which may be a wrong thing. We don't know about it, but we are asking God to forgive us. And Sravana Nayanajamva. Sravana means ear. Hearing. We hear with our ears. So Sravana means hearing. Nayanam means eyes. We may have seen something wrong, some bad things, wrong things we may have seen. We may have directed somebody to see some wrong things, wrong pictures, anything. We can do so many things with our eyes also. Manasam va aparadham. Aparadham means wrongdoing, what we have done some sin. Manasam means mind. We may have done with our mind. How can you do with our mind? By thoughts, because mind is made up of thoughts. So with our thoughts we must have done some harm to somebody, thinking on anger or jealousy, like that. Okay. So with our mind also we may have done something. And vihidam avihidam. We may have done some correct actions. Avihidam means wrong actions by thought, word or deed. Vihidam means correct and right actions with our thoughts, with our words and with our actions. Avihidam means wrong actions with the same thoughts, words and actions. Kshamaswa. Say forgive us. Please forgive us. Kshamaswa means forgive us. Sarvamedat. We have done all the above all. We said above things in all those things. We may have done with all our senses. We may have done many wrong things. Maybe not pleasing to God. Maybe not pleasing to our consciousness, our manaksakshi. We have done something. So, Kshamaswa. Please forgive us for all that. And Jai Jai Karunapte. We are hail. We are Jai Jaikar doing for Karunaptha. Karunapthi means, Karuna means compassion. Apthi means ocean. Karunapthi means God is the ocean of compassion. He is the ocean of compassion. So, please forgive us. Because you are the ocean of compassion, you can forgive us. We may not be deserving your compassion, but you are compassion ocean. So, you will definitely forgive us. Sri Mahadeva Shambho. Sri Mahadeva is the name of Lord Shiva. Shambho also is the name of Lord Shiva. So we are asking God to forgive us whatever we have done, knowingly or unknowingly, with our hands, with our legs, with our words, with our body, with our ears. We have heard some bad things, some gossip, some badaninda, somebody is telling some wrong thing, somebody we may have gossip, we may have listened to that, and we may have seen some wrong things, nayanam, and we may have thought some bad things with our mind. So, all this aparadham, all these sins, all these wrongdoings, please forgive us. Vihidam avihidam, with knowing or not knowing, we may have done some correct actions. Vihidam, which will be liked by you. Maybe avihidam, which will not be liked by you. May have done the one which you like and one which you don't like. We may have done it, we don't know about it. So please forgive. Jai Jai Karunapthe. Please, because you are the ocean of compassion, Lord Shiva, Lord Mahadeva, Lord Shambhu, please forgive us. That is the meaning of the stotra. So before saying that, we will pray to God like this and ask Him forgiveness. So we can have a clear consciousness and we can sleep nicely. That is the meaning of this stotra. We have to have a clean consciousness before we go to sleep. If we worry about what we have done some wrong things, then we may not be able to sleep well, isn't it? That is why we have to ask for forgiveness. Today we will sing a bhajan of Swami. Okay. Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha, Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माधव पिता दीन बंधु सखा, साई माधव पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई राम. अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम, तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष जगदीश्वरा, रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वरा. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम साई देव. असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाम् गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय. I have taken 45 classes. I am offering all these 45 classes at the lotus feet of our Lord Swami Bhagavan Satya Sai Baba as flowers of words. May Swami help and guard and guide all of you who are seeing this video and learning from this. Thank you so much. Jai Sai Ram.